Hello everyone, it is Sam Lusk here, and I am the editor and creator of ArcWorld 954549707.wordpress.com. I am here today to be showing you guys a tutorial on how to edit and create your own floor plans. To do this, we will be using the website smartdraw.com. So first things first, you're going to want to go to smartdraw.com, create an account, and once you log in, you will be given a 7-day free trial to use the application. Once you log in, you'll be shown a home screen that looks like this, and on the left side, you'll be using these to edit and design all of your floor plans. To start a new template, you're going to want to go to New Document, and then Popular. Once you click on Popular, you'll be given a page of all of these templates, but for the purposes of this video, we will only be focusing on floor plans. Once you click on Floor Plan, you will be given a choice to create a custom floor plan that starts from scratch, or you can add on from any of these templates created already. Once a template is chosen, you will be directed to a page that looks like this, and on the left is all of the tools that you will be needing to edit the template. To change the room standard sizes, you can use any of these options to change the template. Under More, you can go to Furnished Offices, Cubicle Layout, and Doors and Windows. This will help the floor plan come more to life and enter windows, doors, and other furniture. Under Adjust, you will see you can add a corner, add wall openings, and split walls. For example, if I wanted to add an Add Wall Opening, I click on Add Wall Opening, and then drag the cursor over to wherever I would like the wall opening to be. So if I would like a door to be here, I just click right here, and there it is. Now, to let people know that there's a door there, you can go to Symbols, under Doors and Windows, click on Door, and just simply press wherever you would like. Under More, you can go to More Symbols, and you can either upload your own, or there is also all of these elements like stairs, sofas, rugs, restaurant tools, and even gym to add to your design and make it more detailed. The top of the toolbar is most similar to a Word document. On the right side, you can edit the font size or the font. You can create it in bold, italicize, or even underline it. You can also create effects on the document itself, like glow or cast a shadow. You can also paste and copy any words into the document. Now that you know the basic tools and edit tricks to design a floor plan, I encourage you to go to this website and create your own. I also encourage you to like and subscribe to this video, as well as check out ArcWorld 954549707.wordpress.com to check out more cool architecture tips and tricks ranging from history to DIY projects. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.